Hello everyone, welcome back again to my do-it-yourself installation design. So what we're having today is a closets. This closets, we're just gonna open it wider because what we're trying to install on this one is gonna be the similarity just like what we did last time. So we're going to be insert this PAX unit. But first we have to open up the wall so that way so that way we get the full access. Right, so we pretty much gonna open it all the way here. And same thing on this side, right? And I believe from the ceiling it's gonna be like 6 inches down. Right, so it's gonna be similar from what we did last time, but the only difference at this time is we're not gonna be using the PAX unit door. We're going to be use the 2 pieces of sliding double barn sliding doors, which is this one, this 2. Right, it's just the reason why is because of we won't be able to use the IKEA door because we need that access, right? So pretty much the IKEA it's going to be stick out probably about 20, pretty much around here, right? So we have to modify the cabinet so that way you're still able to access on top to the attic. All right, so let's just get ready and we can start opening down the 2 sides of this wall of the closets. All right, so I just finished protecting the flooring, so now we can start the 2 sides of the wall. All right, so we just finished cutting out the walls. So the next one is we're just gonna clean it out and we're just gonna patch out this guys, both ends in the top one. And then for sure the flooring, because the cabinet it's only ending here somewhere, so it's not gonna cover this thing up, so we gotta patch that one too. So today's my second day, so I'm just gonna be doing some framing and probably flooring. Oh, I'll do that one last actually. Yeah. All right.
can start drywalling it, and after that the corner beads.
All right, so everything is good. So here's the mesh tape that we gotta put it on. Okay. Like that. So overlap. So what we're doing now is we're mudding. So all right, so now we're doing the second coat process. So I'm mixing the mud right now a little light. That should be good. All right, so right now we're doing the final coat. So we're using the pre-mixed mud. All right, that's it. All right.